A report on floods in Assam. Introduction. Assam, situated in the northeastern part of India, is renowned for its rich biodiversity, tea gardens, and the mighty Brahmaputra River. However, it is also infamous for its recurring floods, which devastate the region annually during the monsoon season. These floods, caused primarily by the overflow of the Brahmaputra and its tributaries, have become a perennial issue, leading to loss of lives, displacement of communities, destruction of property, and severe economic setbacks. This report delves into the causes, impacts, mitigation measures, and future prospects concerning floods in Assam. Causes of floods in Assam. Geographical factors. Assam's topography, characterized by the Brahmaputra Valley and its numerous tributaries, makes it prone to flooding. The region's low-lying plains and high rainfall exacerbate the situation. Monsoonal rainfall. The southwest monsoon, which occurs from June to September, brings heavy rainfall to Assam. The relentless downpour, coupled with the region's geography, leads to rapid inundation. Glacial melting and landslides. Melting glaciers in the Himalayas contribute to the swelling of the Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Additionally, landslides in the hilly regions further obstruct river flow, causing water to overflow onto the plains. Deforestation and encroachment. Rampant deforestation, coupled with encroachment along riverbanks and floodplains, disrupts natural drainage patterns, aggravating flood situations. Impacts of floods in Assam. Loss of lives and livelihoods. Floods claim numerous lives each year and displace thousands of people. Communities reliant on agriculture suffer immense losses, disrupting their livelihoods. Infrastructure damage. Roads, bridges, schools, hospitals, and other infrastructure suffer extensive damage during floods, impeding socio-economic development. Displacement and shelter crisis. Displaced families often struggle to find shelter, leading to overcrowded relief camps with inadequate facilities. Health hazards. Floodwaters contaminate drinking water sources, leading to waterborne diseases such as cholera and typhoid. Mosquito-borne diseases like malaria and dengue also proliferate in the aftermath of floods. Impact on biodiversity. Assam's rich biodiversity, including its famous Kaziranga National Park, faces threats from floods. Wildlife displacement, loss of habitat, and casualties among animals are common occurrences. Mitigation measures. Flood control infrastructure. Construction of embankments, levees, and flood walls along vulnerable riverbanks helps contain floodwaters and protect settlements. Early warning systems. Implementation of advanced forecasting technologies and dissemination of timely warnings enable residents to evacuate safely and mitigate losses. Community preparedness. Training programs and awareness campaigns educate communities on flood preparedness, evacuation procedures, and post-flood recovery measures. Natural resource management. Sustainable land use practices, afforestation initiatives, and riverbank restoration efforts aim to restore natural drainage systems and mitigate flood risks. Government initiatives. The Government of Assam, along with central agencies, implements various schemes such as the Assam State Disaster Management Authority (ASDMA) and the Flood Management Program to address flood-related challenges. Challenges and future prospects. Climate change. Rising global temperatures and changing precipitation patterns exacerbate flood risks in Assam, necessitating adaptive strategies and long-term planning. Coordination and governance. Effective coordination among multiple stakeholders, including government agencies, NGOs, and local communities, is crucial for successful flood management. Socioeconomic vulnerability. Addressing underlying socioeconomic disparities, enhancing livelihood opportunities, and improving infrastructure resilience are essential for reducing vulnerability to floods. Technological innovation. Continued investment in research and innovation, including remote sensing, GIS mapping, and flood modeling, can enhance flood forecasting accuracy and response effectiveness. International cooperation. Given the transboundary nature of rivers like the Brahmaputra, regional cooperation with neighboring countries like China and Bhutan is vital for holistic flood management strategies. Conclusion. Floods in Assam pose significant challenges to the region's socio-economic development, environmental sustainability, and public health. Addressing the root causes of flooding, implementing robust mitigation measures, and fostering collaboration among stakeholders are imperative for building resilience and reducing the impact of floods on vulnerable communities. As Assam navigates its flood-prone reality, concerted efforts towards sustainable development, climate resilience, and equitable resource management will be essential for securing a safe and more prosperous future for its inhabitants.